Michael Saylor's at it again. He's come up with another $3 billion. Now I wonder what he's gonna buy with all that gauche. Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey. Good morning, everybody. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. This is your morning tea. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the winds blow. The humble opinion of this piano Zamboni bringing the FOMO index has inched up to 82 from yesterday's 80. Bitcoin dominance 87.7%. 24-hour volumes, 204 billion. The overall market cap, 3.38. Give or take 100 million. Well, it looks like we had what some legacy analysts call a little bit of a pullback as price action finally spit into the winds of some bearish pressure. But we talked about this, so it should have come as no surprise to anyone in this boutique community when Bitcoin price action, well, she had a little dumb. Would be first, the 23.6% fib at 96.2, then the 38.2% fib at 95.5, which is also at our channel of Ascension's resistance, now acting as support, bearish score at that level, and maybe even a retest of the 38.2% fib, down at 95.1. And Lord love a duck if she didn't do just that. After Friday made one last attempt at cracking the uber psychological level of 100K, she got swatted down and rejected at 99.7 and started to have some bearish second thoughts as price action sunk back down, falling into the loving arms of the 20 moving average. But even its caregiving, nurturing nature couldn't keep its chin up, and she gave way, breaking down and finding a bottom and a bounce at 95.7 and has fought its way back up to a time of production 98.5, placing us above all three moving averages. Now I wouldn't be surprised. See a quick retest of our channel of Ascension's resistance, now acting as support way down at 97.5, which is also the 23.6% fib. So there is double word bearish score at that level. But really all eyes this week will be on making another attempt at cracking that 100K level. It's our only serious level of resistance, and it's just a short seller's last stand. Now, if we crack that, it's the humble opinion of this piano that we see a short squeeze that could take us quickly to the 108K level. Now over on the ding dong, you can see we have been spending time with our mistress, the consolidatrix, building out this cute little bull flag, and the price probability of this pattern is, and sing it with me now. Oh, you take the pole, you slide it all, the breakout point, and then we're all at 108K-ish. short squeeze, if you please. Quick look at the Wookiee, sees we did close the candle green. Our fourth green candle in a row, which we never managed to do in this entire 8-month chop suey, which tells us that this upswing, she's legit. This breakout, she's also legit. And we should expect to see continued bullish price action. Now, to be fair, there is some bearish divergence of the reversal kind as price action has made higher highs while the RSI, well, she's made lower highs, but she's slight and breaking 100K this week would probably straighten her out real quick. But I say if this bearish divergence does play out, I'd be keeping me peepers on the 23.6% fib. We down at 91.5-ish. Hey, it ain't so, Pianomattyb. It ain't show for now, anyways. Would you look at that, my friend? The sun's up. It's another beautiful day here on planet Earth. A day none of us are guaranteed. We're not guaranteed these days. Yeah, we're lucky enough to have anyway. So get out there, knock 'em dead, and remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected leads. That's right, it's the long game. Suss them out and have a fantastic day. 100K. And we'll be going live right away, so grab yourself a coffee. Join me for a quick one, and by all means, sing it with me now. I run the banks, I boom the bang. Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey, whoa. Cha-cha-cha-ching.
Well, that crazy little mofo, Michael Saylor. What a nut. He sure is a nut. Like, I keep thinking that there's going to be chapters in future economic textbooks. Well, now that I say it, they probably won't because they're lost in a walled garden of Keynesian chaos. But anyway, if we lived in a real intellectual free market, you would see chapters written about Michael Saylor and what he's actually doing to the financial system, because it's bizarre. So in a weird way, he's taking a stock, turning it from a horse and buggy into a combustion engine, in the sense that if you don't make a Bitcoin strategic reserve or strategy, you will just lose share price. It's just going to become a necessity, which is hella bullish for everyone in this community that's holding Bitcoin. So you just take any massive company, and why would a shareholder have any interest in parking their money there when they don't have a Bitcoin strategy? Because everyone with a Bitcoin strategy, well, their price will be going up. And, in the bear market, we'll have to reconsider that. But even as the CAGR is 40% year over year, let's just take her down to 20%. Let's just be devil's advocate. Compound annual growth rate at 20%. Okay, well, that's still way better than a legacy stock that is just priced to earnings, coming out quarterly with their earnings. I mean, it's going to seem hilarious when we look back at it. And that's the way it worked. Just like anything, it seems normal until it's completely abnormal to think that it ever existed. But that's how we're doing it these days. So MicroStrategy is going to be, maybe not only a chapter, maybe an entire book on what he's doing. Now, could it blow up on him? Yeah, I guess so. But the only way it blows up on Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy is if there's a catastrophic failure in civilization, a societal collapse of sorts. Because other than that, I mean, we will see pullbacks and downturns. That's just part of the game here is these pullbacks. We haven't really seen one as of late. I mean, are we at the first price point that we said in the video we'd hit? Yeah, of course. But that's just because it's the 23.6% fib. There's no magic formula there. Where's my trusty little arrow go? Did I get rid of it somehow? I don't see it. It was, I must have deleted it somehow accidentally. Anyway, there's no magic formula, 23.6% fib. And it is the Channel of Ascension's resistance now acting as support. We got a little wick bounce there. Hopefully she can, what's going on here? Is this this is the Drew set. Let's see. Oh, and there's the air. Let's see. I just can't see. You have scenes in Ecamm, right? You set up scenes and on the stream deck. I must have hit the wrong button. Who cares? So here we are. We got the bounce we needed. Is it going to be enough? I'm expecting some bullish hoopla this week. We have a short week with Thursday being Thanksgiving for all the Americans down there. So, and even that's going to be funny. I can't see the system existing the way it does. And it's almost like back in the day when, remember Sundays? Don't you remember Sundays? Carl Elder gifted 5 membership. That's plural for memberships. Thank you, Carl Elder. On this glorious Monday morning, thank you for the 5 membership. I've never done that before, the old piano slide. It's kind of like once I heard it, once my mind did it, because I wasn't planning on doing it, just the mind did it. It's like, yeah, that's pretty cool. I should do that all the time. But I should add this inverted C major 7th that I've been liking these days. It's a nice one, eh? Thank you very much, Carl Elder, for the 5 paid memberships, helping to build this channel. It keeps the lights on. Much, much, much appreciated. Good morning, Randy Hipper. What was I talking about? I was getting somewhere, wasn't I? I felt like I was getting somewhere there. What was I talking about? This 23.6% fib? I'm not sure. Now that I'm thinking about it, it must have been a juicy one. That's right, Misco. The Oprah Winfrey of the channel, just trying to grow this boutique community. Yeah, we said it would hit 95.7. which had double bearish word score because it was the 23.6% fib, and it was our Channel of Ascension's resistance now acting as support. Sunday. That's right. Oh, yes. Thank you, Mario Cantonese. Remember Sundays? Back in the day, if you went to like a mall, everything was closed. I don't know if people are young enough, or maybe there's some young people. I don't know. Randy, maybe Randy can answer this. Do you ever remember Sundays being closed at malls? Like the mall was open kind of because the seniors would do their walking, right? But the stores would be all closed because they just didn't want to open up on Sunday. I think it was maybe it had a religious tone to it. I'm not sure. But yeah, there was and that changed because it just didn't make sense. People needed stuff to do. Randy, no, the mall was open. Always open on Sunday. Yeah, well, back in my day, Randy, when we needed to get something at the mall, well, we just couldn't. She was closed. All the stores were closed. Kind of like on a holiday. If you think about like, I don't even know if they're closed on holidays anymore, to be perfectly honest with you. But back in the day, yeah, Sundays and holidays, all the stores were closed, and it just didn't work for people, right? So that's what's going to happen to the legacy stock market. It's just going to Sneaky Pete. I remember when there was no ATMs. That's right. You had to go to the bank, wait in line. Oh my God, wait in line. All these senior citizens are putting their money from checking to savings and savings to checkings. They're really just there to have a conversation. So what's going to happen is that the stock market will move to a 24/7 situation. It has to. It's so silly that it's not. It just doesn't make any sense. Do I got the wrong thing up here? Yeah, I think that's, there we go. And yeah, it just makes sense, because what are we're gonna live here with having a little bit of a pullback again, 97.4. We're gonna live with the stock market being closed on these holidays. Thanksgiving, it's closed. This is hey, Michael Saylor. Thank you, Michael Saylor, for buying $5.5 billion of Bitcoin. It's a strategic reserve. It's not unlike buying cyberspace in Manhattan. If you could buy cyberspace in Manhattan, wouldn't you? If it was 1916 and you could buy Manhattan, wouldn't you buy it? And as it reflected in the price, not yet. Not yet. It will. It will. What we're doing here is we're building this war chest of supply shock that's just going to rip faces off. Like I don't even know if we know what's coming, because as human beings in the Western world, we've never really experienced finite. We don't really get it. We can always get more. Some things you can't, but when commodity-esque wise, you need even the toilet paper scare of 2020 that passed, and we realized, we can just Johann Wolf. I predict Saylor does ayahuasca soon. You know what? I would maybe hazard a guess he could have already. He has. There's an ayahuascanian vibe that I can pick up on most people when I meet them, because it's a sense of time that's on one hand finite and infinite. You do realize that you've been here forever, but you do realize that you're not going to be here that long as well, and that kind of changes the way you move through your life. It changes your appreciation of things, and I kind of sense it with him, although I haven't really met him yet. One day it will. One day I'll make a video of a Michael Saylor and myself playing on his piano. Wouldn't that be funny to realize that Michael Saylor this is why I'd like to have a small interview with Michael Saylor, because I want to find out about his pursuit of rock stardom, because he wanted to be a rock star like most men, right? It's like, I remember when I wanted to be a musician, it was very simple why I wanted to be a musician, because of all the things I saw, as a little kid. I was like, that guy singing in the video, that seems pretty fun. I mean, nothing really seems as fun as that. So maybe I'll give that a shot. And I haven't heard him talk about it, and that would be very interesting to see what happened. How far did he go? Because he's a smart dude. Sometimes the smarter you are at music, the less creative you can get, if that makes sense, because you second guess. It's like in order to have creative carte blanche, you can't overthink certain ideas. You have to just go with the flow. And sometimes when you're too analytic, like he is, an engineer of sorts, you can start second guessing your own creativity. Johann Wolf, Malay was in a Stones cover band. That's why I trust him. That's right. He was a singer. Ayahuascanian member shy. Yeah, haven't you heard of ayahuascanian member shy? It's when a bunch of people become members to a ayahuascanian troop of sorts. Wick says he wanted the ladies, and now that Matty's made it, he wants the ladies to leave him alone. That's what Kyle is for. A musical red herring with glutes to match. Yeah, well, that's funny. That's an interesting comment. I always like to see what I tried to do on the piano stream is I've tried to put like a thing at the end so you can actually see us, but it's too dark because I shut the lights off. It's the only way the people at the bar know how to turn on the music. Or else it gets a little weird because it's quiet and the lights are off and we're still sitting there. And because sometimes girls come up to him and, ask him weird questions. Not really weird, but like, are you single? I know this girl. And watching Kyle react to it is pretty funny. He immediately gets kind of like thrown off, right? Like, because he's a polite kid, right? And it's funny to watch. Are we on the ding dong yet? Let me see here. The daily chart. Well, look at that wick. Well, that one wick will get candlestick 95.5. We talked about it. We talked about going there, and it did. Isn't that crazy how she goes like that? Now those pesky kids, that which wants wicked will get candlesticked, and now under normal market condition, especially in a bear market, because when you really think about it, as a Bitcoin hodler, you spend more time down than you do up, kind of, because even when you're down, you're up from where you were up before. That's just the concept of higher highs and higher lows. But when we fall into a bear market, we spend most time away from those highs. And I don't know what I was talking about there, but yes, because in a bear market we usually see these wicks pan out. Now, will we see it? I don't know. It's hard to say. It's like we're almost becoming immune to massive pullbacks, which is nice. I don't mind not having massive pullbacks, but remember, historically, these bull runs have massive pullbacks of 30%. That's a lot. Like, and this is what I was thinking about too, actually, is like with the concept of diminishing returns in the bull market, a 30% pump will have the market screaming it's over, for sure, especially if we're not over 100K. If we can't crack 100K in the next little while and we do have a 30%, see, this thing is not really lined up with the green there. There, I can go to bed now. If we have a pullback before hitting 30% or 100K, we will hear the bears. That's it. That's all. 97. We're having a real pullback here, Dick. Holy smokes! You almost took everything down again, buddy. Be careful. Alrighty. Well, what song have you prepared the good peeps today?
Oh, I know.
What?
It's called Chug Jug With You.
Chug Jug With Me? I've never heard that.
It's not an instrumental song.
It's not?
Number one victory royale, yeah, for now you're about to get down, 10 kills on the board right now, swiped out Tomato Town, my friends got down, I revived him, now our heads are southbound, now we're in the prison park, she's looking at Mac with a mark, she's take me to your Xbox to play Fortnite today, you can take it on, but not Loot Lake, I'd really want to chug jug with you.
Chug Jug With You?
We can be pro Fortnite gamers.
Now, that was good. That was good. You know, that's an original. The original song is Kanye West, American Girl, or American Boy. There's an American Boy. That was pretty good, buddy. I like it. Yeah, I can't believe you know those lyrics. What else are you gonna do? One more quick one. Carl Elder gave us 5 memberships, so we're free from the financial restraints of YouTube, the digital gulag. Thank you, Carl, again. Okay, let's do it. Let's do one more song here before we.
On a cobweb afternoon in a room full of emptiness in a freeway, I confessed I was lost in the pages of a book, out of breath, reading how we smile alone. And if I could
That was good. Well, it's amazing you can sing that high and this early in the morning, buddy. Good job at that. Holy smokes, everybody! This stream will take you to the beautiful and vivacious Randy Hipper stream at 8:45. So I will put some departing music on. If you just want to leave it here, it'll take you right to Randy Hipper. Thank you very much, everybody. Have an unbelievable day.
I fell more in at the top, couldn't stop myself. I fell more in at the top, now I'm down low. I should have held court till resistance became support. I should have held court till resistance became support. Everybody jumping off a bridge, all my friends were doing drugs. Everybody's cracking beers, who the heck am I to judge? I feel most I shouldn't care, but influences everywhere telling me I'm missing out. Drinking on their offer boats, I couldn't take it. I formed in at the top, couldn't stop myself. I formed in at the top, now I'm down a lot. Hey, Scaramucci's the cat. I should have held court till resistance became support. I should have held court till resistance became support. Now I'm beating myself up again, lamenting on the sheep I met, and take away the part I piss, and I know I still wouldn't listen. Any of you what they wanna ape, and well, just let me want. Don't give yourself a heart attack, wait for the price to pull back. Don't form a win at the top, couldn't stop myself. Not form a in at the top, now I'm down a lot. I should have held court till resistance became support. I should have held court till resistance became support. Don't fall more in at the top, couldn't stop myself. I fall more in at the top, now I'm down a lot. Yeah, I should have held court till resistance became support. I should have held court till resistance became support.
In the depths of the crypto bear market, anything can and will happen.
Hey, I've never seen anything like it.
Is the craziest I think I've ever seen.
Academy Award winner Zach Galifianakis says BitBoy Crypto Ben Armstrong.
The psyop they tried to create in my brain, and you hear the struggle of, I haven't done anything.
Golden Globe nominee Shia LaBeouf as TJ Shed.
We had a great dynamic and a lot of fun over the years. This hurts all of us.
We broke the entire internet.
This has always been my company.
Also starring Benicio del Toro.
Remember me?
As Nicky Diamonds DeMonte. Nicolas Cage as DZ. And Paul Giamatti as TJ's dad. Also some black guy that we've never really heard of.
Give me everything you got! Pounds, 10p, 5p, and even the brown penny! Dead to me!
Based on the best-selling novel by John Grisham. Cold-blooded crypto.
You know, there's too many lines that have been crossed. You and I have to go our separate ways.
So you're not mad at them for lying to you for years, but you're mad at us for proving that they lied. We tried to speak our truth to all the deaf, dumb, and mute, but you can't save them all. No, you can't save them all.
I have to disagree with that.
It means something. You know, it means means something in a certain way. It means something.
Ben, I was wondering if you had, any thoughts on green dots.
You know what we do here? We win all the time. Fired up. Fired up. Somebody said relying on green dots. Come on, man. If you don't think these green dots work, you're an idiot. You're an idiot. You are an absolute idiot. Fired up. You are a loser. You continue to lose. Yeah, let's check that out, guys. Let's check that out. Fired up. That's kind of the definition of what happens to people in life who we call losers. They always feel like the one time that they try the thing, it doesn't work. The one time they try it, the one time they try it, the one time they try it doesn't work. You lost money on one trade. You look so small at the micro moments in life. And you take experience from that and you cast it across an entire range of time or experience. That's why you're losers. That's why you're losers. That's why you're losers. That's the kind of person who will never be successful in life, will never be successful in anything. Because you're too narrow-minded and short-sighted and idiotic to see what's right in front of you. Because you're too narrow-minded and short-sighted and idiotic to see what's right in front of you. Yeah, they don't work. Let's go back. Let's look at the chart here. Get out of here, Gizmo. Yeah, I hate Gizmo. I love Gizmo. He's so dang cute. I want a Mogwai. Let's go look. Let's see if they play out. Let's look at these patterns and let's see if they played out. This December of 2019, aka the entire bull run. I know y'all like when I do that. Bull run. Boom. Bull run. Boom. I can't even call you what I want to call you because it's not politically correct. Do you know what we do here? We win all the time. Do you know what we do here? We win all the time. 184% gain. Oh, just a 64% gain over 2.5 months. Idiot. 2.5 months. Boom. 548% gain. Why don't we go to the next one? Why don't we go check out the next one? Let's go. Let's go. Here it is, right here on the chart. You guys see it. Next one. Yeah, come on, man. Come on, rely on the green dots, you idiot. Let's check out the next one. Here we go. Boom. Next one. Only 128% gain. Only 120% gain. This is why you're a loser. This is why you continue to lose. This is why you don't make money in crypto. This is why you come in for 3 months and then you disappear like the vermin that you are and you don't come back in. And you don't come back in. And you don't come back in. Because you're so idiotic that you can't look at a chart over a 2.5 year period of time and see how much it works. I get so tired of people coming to this chat and say stupid crap like that. Your parents are disappointed in you, sir. Because you haven't done anything with your life. Boom. That's all I got. Good way.
Yo, Jim, where you at? Yo, Jeb, I said, where you at?
I took a minute now, I'm at the better end of all of it. The day I want to quit will be a bit, I want to swallow. Cause I'm in it when I said I wasn't really into audibles. I guess you gotta call them when you're ugly with the bottom. And it's stacking up against you with the pity. But they gotta give a nod to me, I'm running with the best. And they kinda make a profit off of everything you told me wasn't possible. So why would you continue with the narrative and not admit I'm something incredible? Look of a general, hit him with the end of a shovel. They wanna forget it, I put him on the ground and I get up and open up the pit of my stomach to remind I am insane. I am insane. I am insane. I am insane.
One more time.
Took a minute now, I'm at the better end of all of it. The day I want to quit will be a bit, I want to swallow. Cause I'm in it when I said I wasn't really into audibles. I guess you gotta call them when you're ugly with the bottom. And it's stacking up against you with the pity. But they gotta give a nod to me, I'm running with the best. And they kinda make a profit off of everything you told me wasn't possible. So why would you continue with the narrative and not admit I'm something incredible? Look of a general, hit him with the end of a shovel. They wanna forget it, I put him on the ground and I get up and open up the pit of my stomach to remind I am insane. I am insane. I am insane. I am insane.
Make sure you like and subscribe and share this